Alright, now we're going to show you how to connect new pads onto your Dekoni Blue, our newest product. So, right now it comes stock sporting our Elite Hybrids featuring the outside leather, the surface velour, and the inside fenestrated sheepskin. But we're going to switch to the other pads. So, to take off the pads, you just kind of grab and gently unseal around the ring. These still will be reusable. Oh, and watch the baffle. Then you grab your new one. This is the velour. Work it around, and you just kind of work it like a soda bottle lid. Just work it in. Look how smooth that was. And then you want to make sure your foam is inside. Go ahead and show the camera that foam. There you go, nice. And then lined up, perfect. And the new pad. And the deal. These are not angled, so, or they are angled, aren't they?
No.
No?
And also mention that to work it, sometimes it's easy to stick your finger
Oh, like get it hurt
inside the pad and work it from the inside from underneath.
That was good that you just demonstrated.
You want to have the seam at the bottom.
Nice. Perfect.